Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to change a theme in Audacity. So if you would like to do it, first we need to move our cursor to the Edit tab, and now we need to open Preferences. Of course you can use shortcut from a keyboard Ctrl P if you want, but I will click on this area to open Preferences. And how you see, this window has been successfully loaded here, but of course we are interested in to go to Interface Settings, so I click here. And now we have here theme settings. Of course, we can easily change it from light to classic, dark, high contrast or custom, but I recommend you to use classic, light or dark theme. In this tutorial, I will set here dark theme, so I click on dark, and now if you have here dark selected, we need to click OK button. And after a moment, Audacity theme will be successfully changed to dark. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And of course, I encourage you to buy me coffee from link in description.